Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT on Discord. To start off, you will need a Discord account. As you create a Discord account, you're going to scroll all the way down and you press into the add server. You're going to create your own. You can put for you and your friends and just name it. Once you've named it, you have your Discord channel. Go into your Google Chrome, type ChatGPT Discord bots. You're going to invite this bot. And whilst I log in, so you're going to log in with your normal email, username, or password, whatever you wish. So how I normally sign in is by scanning the QR code onto my phone. Once the QR code is signed, you're going to press select the server, test, continue, authorize. I am a human. Pick all the things that are steering wheels. It's going to take a long time because you need to verify, of course, that you're a human. And if you open your Discord, ChatGPT is here. Close this window. And making sure that you know how ChatGPT is used. It will tell you all of the source codes, where to find it, website, etc. And here you are. That's how you use ChatGPT on Discord. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.